Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be looking at some herbs that you can grow in your balcony garden. So I am at my friend's balcony garden and he is a herb enthusiast. Today we will be looking at the lemongrass, the Indian borage or commonly called the Ajwain plant, and the marjoram. We will also look at some of his holy basil collections. So let us first look at the lemongrass plant, which is scientifically called Cymbopugon. It is a tropical plant and is a perennial grass. The scent of the lemongrass resembles that of the lemon. It is used to infuse teas, soups, and other curries. It is also used as a seasoning in some cuisines. The essential oil of the lemongrass is used in pesticides and is also used as a preservative. It is used as a preservative for palm leaf manuscripts in Asian cultures. This is one of those plants that repels mosquitoes but attracts beneficial insects like the bees. The smell or the aroma of the lemongrass is released when you crush the leaves or smash the stalks. It can be easily grown by buying a lemongrass stalk from the supermarket and growing it in a container filled with compost or potting medium. It grows under full sun or part shade. The plant that you see here is exposed to the east sun. There are two common varieties of lemongrass. One is the East Indian lemongrass, commonly called the Cochin grass or Malabar grass. It is native to India, Sri Lanka, Cambodia, and Burma. The other variety is the West Indian lemongrass, found mostly in South Asia. So the next time you see a lot of mosquitoes in your garden, then you know which plant to buy. Next, we move on to the Indian borage or the Trachyspermum ami. This is a native of India and is widely used in the Ayurvedic medicine system. It is used to cure indigestion, cold, diarrhea, and other abdominal ailments. This has very fleshy leaves with a lot of water content in it. It is quite drought tolerant and it can be easily grown from a stem cutting. It can be a little invasive. The dry leaves are crushed and used as seasoning in a lot of Indian cuisines. It is also used to make pakoras. The leaves are edible. This can be grown under full sun or part shade. Next, we have the coriander herb, and it has produced some seeds. So this is the right time to harvest the coriander seeds. So once the seeds turn from green to brown, that is when you need to harvest the coriander seeds. Next, we move on to the basil plant that is growing really well under part sunlight conditions. It has self-seeded itself and you see a lot of holy basil plants in this multi-tiered container. This is another pest repelling plant. Next, we move on to the marjoram plant, which smells of camphor. It is scientifically called Origanum marjorana. It is a cold-sensitive perennial herb that smells like sweet pine and citrus. It is used in different cuisines, and the aromatic leaves are used to produce essential oils. Look at the way this plant cascades in this container. It is a beautiful aromatic plant, and I had already mentioned about how to take care of this plant. These plants are magnets for hover flies and bees. They produce small white colored flowers. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share.